Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. No, ideally I didn't want to start the video at home. Actually, I started this video like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I know I made August, but boy, sometimes I have to just be a little bit honest with myself. I will by the time I go to take up the camera, and yeah, it just never end up take up because you know my mind and writer, so it never connect, but it connect now, so I take it now. I finally charge now and take it now. So initially I don't know what the vlog was initially, but may I go insert that right now. Here at the supermarché, look what's back, thank God. I mean, I wonder why them do that. So I introduce you to someone that can't continue. It look like Red Hat is back as well. Wow, it's an amazing day. Wow. Yeah, I'm just checking and I'm gonna know some of the here at the supermarket. I do grocery shopping. Especially that one that me get that one, but try it. No, you try it and tell me how you feel like it. Wanna say if you stop read the buckle and take it up and try it, I'm not gonna know. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So this one dep on phone tab, but I'm telling you how much fee change. Oh, it's alright, never mind. Me asking something more expensive. Change it off. I woke up today and I decided that I was going to come for a walk, right? And it's just like saying I should I keep my inactive ass at home, because why did I have to circle Emancipation Park 2 times? There was no parking. I tried to go into NHT car park, work I done. Man, I said I can't, whatever. End up no workout for going there, so I have to come all the way across the road. Forget parking. I'ma just hope them security guard and send to me. Then yeah, I can't. If they do, I'll just come back to the car and go home. Also, the traffic is terrible on the road because two light posts dropped down with one bag of wire on Constant Spring Road, right at CVM and Grove right there. So, and it back up the traffic all the way to inner New Kingston. Like, I was coming against it, so the road was free, but the traffic going back that side is terrible. So if I really have to leave and wait in other traffic there, I'm going to be so mad. I'm also contemplating if I want to go to the movies later. It's what time now? But mommy actually, it's true too. You know what? It's dead for today. Tomorrow holiday, the road full. Like, it's, you know what? I'm just gonna go and try to get this walk because my soul needs it. So I don't know why the universe don't want to. And then I keep something over Emancipation Park. So that's the next reason why I'm not parking over there, because one bag of truck and something park. I spent, I don't even know how long I spent. I don't know how long I was out there for, but I was out there for a hot minute. And can you believe the traffic still don't wear up? In fact, it's worse. It is worse. No. I want to stop at Fontana. I mean, I stopped there earlier, but I didn't go inside because it was messing with the routine. Like, I didn't want to be stuck in New Kingston during work traffic hours. But anyway, you take it, I'm gonna be stuck in New Kingston. So I'm gonna go to Fontana now and get the liquor stuff them I've been needing. Wow, that was a good liquor walk. Got to release my inhibitions and feel the rain on my skin. Whew, okay. Let me put on some music and then head down to Fontana. Five years later, I finally made it. Literally, oof, my feet are dead. Literally only came in here for 2 stuff though. I wanna look around. It is hours later. When I came home, I just jumped straight into the shower. And coming home took me like 2.5 hours. What should have been like 15-minute journey took me like 2 hours. It was crazy. Hold on, let me pull this. I'm gonna try the Rude Boy. I could see what it's again. Cheers. Can't want to tell me for this. It's actually pretty chill. It tastes like the green apple Smirnoff. That's exactly what it tastes like. Not bad, Rude Boy. Not bad. Just take off that part. Oh, wait, them take it off? Them take it off. Wait, is it or is it not the right one? No, but I eat. Then take it off. Good job, because I was just gonna say that is the only thing. So cheers, it's actually good. And we're back. I remember thinking that I was going to post that no matter how long it was, and I think it was like 5 minutes or something crazy like that, but yeah, nothing was going on, and I just wanted to push out whatever for the sake of you guys always asking me like, where's the video, where's the video, where's the video? So yeah, decided against it though, obviously. And we're here. The motive though this week, is Tuesday by the way, the motive this week is to get ready for a trip. By the time you guys are seeing this, I will be at my destination. So yeah, we're gonna be getting ready for the little trippy trip, and I'm going to be taking you guys along that journey. I do have a few stuff that I need to do, but the people in my drag them foot, like, it's out of my control. I'm telling people how much time to listen. This is, we need to get it done in this week, and I'm very like particular when it comes to a schedule. Like when it comes to timing and budgeting time, I'm very strict with that. And then I kind of mess with my head, because in my mind it's Tuesday, which means the week already done. I'm gonna do half hour I need to do. It don't make sense to nobody else, but it makes sense to me, right? But that's the motive for the week. I'm currently doing laundry because I like to have all my clothes clean when I'm leaving, and I like to clean my room before I leave so that when I come back everything is fresh and nice and clean. So yeah, I'm gonna pick you guys back up when I am doing something. I've been on the road for morning with mommy, and I made 2 stops so far. Where did we go? Oh yeah, I get something to eat, and then she asked me to carry her somewhere in Halfway Tree, and then I remembered that I needed a few little things, so I just stopped by Discount and picked them up. The other day when I went to Fontana, I must have to get something, just couldn't remember what. I got a new pair of this because I just used the last one. Like, I just took out the last one that I had, so I need to ensure say I have one in the inventory. I get a pack of black plastic because everybody always need a pack of black plastic. I use these so often, excuse me. I use these so often, and I never have a pack. Somebody actually blocked me in, that's why I'm sitting here to do a haul right now. Because there's so many parking spots, and the person decides to them to come stop in front of me. Don't know what that's about. But anyway, the next thing I got is a new conditioner. If you guys keep up with me, you know I have the big bottles of these, but buckle are done, so I'm just get a smaller buckle. And then I get a buckle in here, and then I get this moisture retention mask because I feel like my hair dry. Say hi.
Hi. How art thou?
Yeah, somebody blocked me in, guys. I guess we're not supposed to move.
Then I have no behavior because I don't know how you to do that.
Sometimes I have to just slow down, I guess. Like, I don't know. Why them gonna block me when someone's parking space there? People don't know say a bar. Somebody park your car and go in a bar. Bar.
We had done this song.
I can't make this up. Come I get fed up and I'm going to Discount Beauty and I shout it out. If anybody in the drive, whatever, come move it, more and leave. Nobody don't come. So I see one man see me and say, what me I look for? And I tell him, and him call one security guard and him tell the security guard at the bar. I'm telling him, we can't get back on this. And then somebody pass and say, I'm really in this other man going and park and block somebody.
So when them not think of that fly come up here already. Oh, them disgusting, sir.
I really want to see who this like. There were so many parking spots here, and you just choose to just so far away from which bar you actually go to. Or the batch party I did. Oh shucks. Talk to me later. Alrighty guys, so it is Wednesday, I believe. Wednesday, place dark like a midnight. Whole week, place just overcast and show no signs of getting better. I'm at Fontana because there's one more thing. I want the Fontana sign. There's one more thing that I needed to get, which I never realized until over the weekend. So I'm going to be doing miracle nuts again to go away, but this time jumbo because I can't bother with the stress. So I'm gonna get some edge control for that. And then I want to go to car wash, but then the place looks like sorry not here. But I'm probably just go anyway because yeah. So let's go. This is one I decided, and ended it full. I made I get a little bit you know, like when people are closing for you. So yeah, but this is the one I got. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm not even do not need today Wednesday. I think I'm gonna start back tomorrow night. Then Friday I wash my hair. Then Saturday I do my cluster lashes. I should probably just do everything Saturday and step out fresh for the girl there. Yeah, I think that I'm gonna do so. Me talk to her probably tomorrow. Tomorrow, probably. Yeah. Guys, look what I got. I got a crate of lemon beer and a crate of mango beer. Period. Good morning guys, it's Thursday and I just got ready to go to the beach. I'm going to head, oh no, I think I have everything packed that I need, so I'm gonna head there and then you can't believe I almost left the camera. I'm gonna talk back to you when I'm there, showing how the place set up because I haven't been there in a while. I'm going to Fort Clarence. Haven't been there since COVID, I think. If I go there after COVID, it was never like fully outside of quarantine. It was still quarantine time. Yeah, I think I went there once after COVID. Done. But that was a very long time ago still. So yeah, that's where we're heading today. That's the MO for today. I'm going to do that. Then afterwards, I'm going to run some little house errands and then edit. So let's go to the beach. Big we have about it on this one. Guys, it's all fun and games until you actually come here and realize how rough the place is. Like I've come to realize, but it's me and Mommy Dave. I don't wash. I've come to realize that I don't like the beach. Like I do not like it. I prefer the river. I prefer the pool. I just like the sun, the breeze. I cannot. But I had to come here to film, as I told you earlier. So I'm done with that. Get ready for leave. But you know, I have to just think about everything before I left because I'm not come back here. Alright, I go pack up and go on because I do have quite a few errands to run, so let's go. By the way guys, this is a...
Is that when them say you're rough like see?
I doubt them can't even hear you, but this is the state of the beach. Yeah. And them say it's because impending weather, but at the same time, for a paid beach, I do feel like they could have cleaned up. There must be a way they can take up the seaweed off of the sand, the shoreline daily. Has to be a way. But yeah, this is how it looks. And I don't know, but there's a kind of look a little bit scared because as my say rain's supposed to fall all weekend. So that's that on that. Oh, you're going there? Oh,
You want to stay? Yes, I'm out of there. Yes, I'm clearer.
it look like, don't just clear. It look like that next beach they clear. You see?
Yeah.
They must can do something about that.
Yeah.
Because there's garbage in there as well. It's not even just seaweed. Oh yeah, that's my time. Heading back to Kingston. Huh? Oh. Oh, you may talk to her. May I talk to Mama? Mama said we are. She
No, I thought she was
Guys,
on the phone, you know?
may I sweat?
No, the
I'm
time hot.
hungry. I'm want a little water, but now when I really want my boy because it's empty. I just want to reach back at Kingston ASAP. It's now 12:56. Probably reach back over like 1:20 or so. I feel like my oof, that's stink. I feel like my on my last. Tell us something. Hungry Shami is not a Shami I want meat. I'm hungry, I'm cross. Miserable. Alright. Go and go change. I'm really oh yeah, I love. You come looking for a man.
Watch out!
I say, I bring sunscreen, and that's why I always end up burn out, you know. I bring my sunscreen and ask me where the sunscreen stay, and if it open, I'm going to put my body in that right in the bag.
But if you remember, me have sunscreen.
This is Mama face.
Hold on, you know, so right in the day and water, I can't use it to wash off my foot.
Yeah. Look, sweaty look now, going too bad. It's fine, can make up put on my glasses. And that's why, folks, when you wear glasses, you have to think.
You have to do what?
Think. Especially when you wear makeup. Me catching a back when I change off in a regular clothes. Hello, Governor. Me catching a back when I change off in a regular clothes. And I go about the rest of my day. Would not ever know so I have something to do. I know so we don't have no other time to do it, but I'm just lazy. Cause that's me right now. It's Friday. I know some I forgot to pack my suitcase right now because I have work for the tomorrow, Saturday. Which I got name up the whole of my day. I'm not going to do it last minute Sunday because Shani, stop being lazy. I'm gonna start. I'm also need to do my ear and wash it, and I just want to sleep. I just want to sleep. But
are you me to get that?
don't break yourself. I buy me sitting at Burlington. Hey.
Alright.
My wheel case, see me all that chat foolish. The suitcase will pop off when I come. Cause JetBlue fling my bag. I remember say me have to go Burlington, go buy one new suitcase.
That means somebody give mommy one like that. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Whatever. That's where the mix up is. Duh, clearly.
Wanna see how she bright? You don't even look bad. Stop it. Wait.
I want.
It's a gimbal endpoint reach, but me never even do all of that. It's so extra. You get it?
You are corny.
Why? Alright, that's actually funny. Hmm?
The drums, the spot button.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, me go start pack for you. Me go bring my Gen X bag instead of a handbag because sometimes my bag pop off my shoulder, especially when I delay and me have to walk up and down.
But yo, I don't do those bags. Why? Come on, want on my body. The easiest thing you could ever do is you carry on with a bag, a tote on it. You don't feel no
But that's
pressure.
the thing, it pissed me off when because my bag ever feel like one dead man in there, you know. So imagine now, I have my laptop, my iPad, my headphone, my this, my charger, blah blah blah. One bag of mess in there.
That's what I do.
Them say, oh, overhead bin space full, come check on the carry on. Check on the carry on.
I don't do it. And it don't know what you that not reach you. Just protect yourself way up there. I don't do that like ever. And one time I ever do that. But Chami, even if you ever do that, it's not for long. It's you have to walk to the gate. By the time you
I
have to
think
do
you
that,
understand,
you're at the
so
gate.
I think you understand, so me not
My bag
like.
is very heavy too. You know you ever
Yeah, but me not like walk with things in my hand. So if we can give them the bag, me give them the bag.
The best thing in life is to have a tote on top of your carry-on. You can't feel no weight. That way you do right, so you pressure your body. That pressure your body when you pop up. Yeah, that pressure your body. We not do that. Sorry.
And then now, the thing is with this now, if any little thing, if any little overweight go on, this a whole pastilles, me can just shove one and two something in this. Can't put nothing in my throat. Alright guys, so this is what happened. I am packing this smaller suitcase to fit into this empty suitcase because I'm going to be coming back with both of them full. Yeah, may I come back with both of them full. I have some stuff where I'm going, good amount of things what I'm gonna need for packing of that. And then in my carry-on, I'm gonna pack my shoes and my bag them. And then in here somewhere I put my electronics and whatever else can go in there. So this, I read somewhere with this, but I just don't want to do it. You know that I really actually don't want to be doing this right now. I'd rather be sleeping. But me try be nice to my future self. I know tomorrow I go stress out. I already know it. And then I need to go shopping tomorrow too. For a few little things. Last minute things. So I have to go leave little bit of space in here so for them there. Oh God. Tired already. I'm tired now. What? God. Right. Not much progress, but it will do. I will see you all tomorrow. One. Yeah. Good. Buy the extra something them. And when me a film. Right now. Bye. But look at my high. Like I'm so tired. Alright. Toodaloo. Hi, hello. It is currently I think 12 p.m. on Saturday. And I wonder where I'm all dolled up to go to. Wendy's. Guys, I love when brands understand that I'm a very unserious person. But this is one of them situations that I'm a little bit nervous because I'm supposed to go inside the Wendy's looking like this in heels. Just stay tuned for the Instagram reel to see the finished product. But yeah, that's what I'm heading to do today. Yeah, I'm gonna really reach now and I'm packing tomorrow night. So yeah, when we come back, water gone. You see what we don't know for procrastinating and that water gone. I'ma do wash my ear. Water gone. I'ma do wash my ear. So now, me no know. Me a pray for a miracle say come back in the night. Yeah, but that's this. Yeah, this is the outfit, by the way. You guys would have seen me wear this the other day. Go the no boys allowed thing. Did I vlog? I do not think I vlogged that, but this is what I wore to the No Boys Allowed thingy thing in Marketplace. So yeah, mega. I'm stalling because I am nervous, but mega head out now and get it done. Guys, I survived. Luckily, I had mommy by my side for kind of shield the stairs. But me not used. Well, let me not say that. But when you dress up, people are so much nicer to you. This one lady was like, "Hi," for no reason. Cause she not. Me not think she know. Maybe she know me.
But today India look festive. India was a festive look today. Here today.
So
Yeah.
scared. Everybody was just staring at me like, and if they're not alright, look, them just like, what the hell?
Yeah.
What the hell she got going on? People in that parking lot, I'm just trying to do my job. But yeah, that was a success.
Looks like a teacher. She come to them something like that.
Big up Wendy's all the time. I'll just review them here real quick and show you something I need nothing else before I leave. And see, it is a good thing I did because one of the main sitting when we supposed to did I never did take a video of it. So I know I'm just a wait for mommy. She gone inside of Fontana. You know teachers when it's back to school time. And them I fix up them classroom. Them can never have enough cartridge paper, them can never have enough accoutrements, so she gonna do that. I wish I had some water. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and get out of all of these clothes, then edit the video, send it off, and then spin out back for some other stuff. My mama telling us I have some shopping for do. I need to figure out if I still gonna do that. And then I need to pack my suitcase for real this time. And then I'm going to wash my ear. God, please. I know it's my fault and I know it's my procrastinate, but God, please make the water come back, please. Please. I need to wash my ear so I can do my ear. I can see how it go. I just please. And we're back. What are the possibility you think the water could come back?
No?
No, by tonight.
The possibility out of 100? 50%. Based on how we keep seeing the circulation about block off and restriction and whatever, I'm praying that by 6 o'clock, so hopefully find out so a morning. Honestly, based on how I see it, I go on, you know.
My ear for wash.
I realize after. Yeah, I tell you honest truth. That's why I know for procrastinate. Do things as it come. When you say I go do call, it hit me too because normally I get up and hear me. No man, me we are the what? When me get up, I want to go away.
My ear need for like my head dirty. My ear literally cake together to how much gel in it.
Me know I go and gel in your ear. You want to watch it out now? Me know it now.
It is because from a little bit when we call people where I know where auntie when tell us them we and them don't related, we must stop it.
Yeah, cause you've not school too.
A while ago guys, I go by the market and a woman walk away and me try to catch back her attention. You me, auntie. I was out of laugh.
Sounds strange.
I don't even call my auntie, I just call her by her name, Lisa.
Yeah. For me, never hear you say Auntie Lisa yet. Lisa go look on her and say, look here, what is it?
I want auntie will ever call auntie and because she did other man say we did supposed to call her auntie. And at the end she never did deserve to call her.
For sure. And she is a
rude. But And me get everything, guys. Me a melt. Like the sun outside the world, terrible. What am I gonna do now? Go home.
The restaurant name Box Shami. See them put up on big
I
sign.
change the name.
Then that means it's a different chef a cook.
Them used to name Goody.
No, Goody never go on with nothing. Box, a go on.
And I mean so here? Alright. Yes, so guys, what a comeback. What a comeback. What a comeback. I'm showing up. What a comeback. What a comeback. What a comeback. Don't you ever estimate how much my God loves me. Okay? I just don't eat a healthy plate of callaloo and yellow yam and sweet potato and dumpling. So I have to go take a fat, like not sleep, but like I have to go rest my stomach a little bit before I bend over my head. Right, so I can't just jump go in there. It's not dirty, the little debris, you know, when I'm like there when water just come back, it run out already. So I gotta take a, you know, a little half hour, make your food settle in my stomach. And then wash my hair. Hair is washed. I am currently going through a dilemma though because I haven't seen my curls look this awake and bouncy in a minute, and I was just about to blow dry it. So I was wondering if I should even, well, obviously the root look a mess, but I'm wondering if I should even go ahead and blow dry it. Yes, okay, I'm just going to, I know better. I'm just gonna do what I'm supposed to do, or it will give me hell and I'm gonna sit down here with it for the whole night. So I bet I'm just blow dry it so I can easy like roops. Do what I need to do, but it's so, especially the front looks so healthy at the ends. It's not straight. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I want all of my hair to look like the front hair, and I think I'm going to go to a curl specialist and have them get rid of the heat damage ends in the best way they can, so all of my hair can look like that too. I'm just showing them. Anyways, I'm gonna stick to the plan and blow dry it. So yeah. Alright, it's currently 9:50 p.m. and this is the progress. All I have left to do is add the crochet pieces to the actual braids and then I'll be done. But chances are I will show you guys how it looks in the morning because I don't want to do my edges tonight. I just don't feel like someone for showing up without my edges done. So I'll show you guys how that looks tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do my lashes as well tomorrow. And then the video will end tomorrow because I need to edit this and put it up for Monday. So yeah. I think I like out myself. On my way to the airport. I don't even know how I end up a rush. God see, I know. Travis over there, so as always. Stress. I am at the airport. I am already annoyed, but we move. This is where I'm gonna end this vlog. So if you want to see the trip, stay tuned until next week Monday. I'm having a back. But if you don't want to hear why I'm annoyed enough, go wait till next week. Sorry. Catch you next week.